I got a new training. I go to the barber shop, barber working educations. It is really hard. I'm beginning new life. She just cut papers. But that is great. I haven't worked for 30 years, public officers, and safely returned to the home. But the home is not a safe place to me, so that I again go to a new job, training. I got to pass the first examination for barber shops, but now it's very poor but new livings. Haircuts. This is a miracle, and this is making me living. And this is exodus from the hell homes. Yes, I have lived for 30 years, all my life my best for the family. Not me, for the family, wife and 2 children. My wife. I have been treated as a great, but now insignificant. I have felt that it's really spurious affections. My son and daughters, they treat me bad. My son said, "You are a bad father." My daughter said, "You are a bad father." And furthermore, we fought in the family. Then I leaned down to the family as a father, as a husband. I said to them, yes, I did wrong. Yes. In a momently, from father, from husband to the sin crime. Every day I appear a great to the insignificant. The persons threaten me badly. I have never been, just one day, never ever treated me as really husband and father. Very significantly, I feel that barbershop training is saved from hells. I decided to go home to my workplaces. Truly, for 30 years, my pension enough to leave me money. But I couldn't live with them. Money is not enough. Relationships. I have earned hell livings as just retire position, really hell positions. Yes, it is. I know that. Did not know that, but I know that it's from great to the insignificant. It is. It is really surprising. I cannot believe in others. Just only believe me. I am single. I need independence from others. There is no person really care me, really love me. I have no doubt. I do not believe. I do not be deceived from others. Yes, it is very lucky as I beginning new job training. Because barbershop job must be mild, long, getting holding times, supporting me, secure me from all enemies' promise. I do not forget it. My families are health. My families are great to the significance. It is true. Thanks.